You know Baba here? Was the member of parliament for this area. So he has a long history with this university. Maybe you can advise these youngsters.
Let's give trash. I'm very delighted to hear His Excellency talk to you about the issue of saving. It's what they call the vicious cycle of poverty. It goes like this. I am poor. Because I'm poor, I cannot save. And because I cannot save, therefore I cannot invest. I cannot invest, therefore I cannot develop. Hence I am poor. So you need is deliberate action to break the cycle and start saving what you have and then invest. Thank you very much.